We sell a lot of this combination lock for letterbox. So how it works is with the right passcode, like right now it's 000, you can see 000, you can unlock it. This is unlocking. Then you can lock it back. But when the combination is wrong, let's say now we change it, now it's 031. So when I try to turn it, nothing happened. So common question is, how do I change the combination? So first of all, to change the combination, you need the correct combination. So we set back to 000. Okay, so now we can unlock it. This one should be able to turn one way only. Like this one, you can rotate it counterclockwise, but I cannot go beyond here. Right? So we know certainly this one is unlocking. When unlocking, you can see from the hole here, from the side, you can see that there's a hole come now. Okay, I hope you can see it. Okay, you reach a hole here. In order to reset the passcode, take something like, for example, like this paperclip here. Press into the hole, right? Press into the hole while changing the combination. Now it's 000. Let's try 999. I'm still pressing. I'm applying force for this. So we change to 9. Carefully, and then let go. So now the new combination is 999. I can lock, and I can, let's say I lock it, and go back. I try back with 000. It doesn't work anymore. It doesn't work, right? Now the new code is 999. 999. Okay, works. 999. So if you want to change again, 999, unlock it, and then take a pin, press it. While you are pressing it, you change the combination. Then you let go. So that is the new combination.